there, science enthusiasts! Ever wondered about Venus, our closest planetary neighbor besides Mars? Often overshadowed by Mars's exploration fame, Venus has mysteries worth unraveling. Let's dive in. Venus, second planet from the Sun, is fascinating yet hostile. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and an atmosphere thick with carbon dioxide, it's the epitome of extreme environments. But what makes Venus so interesting? First off, Venus rotates on its axis backwards compared to most planets in our solar system. This means on Venus, the sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east, quite the opposite of what we experience on Earth. Now let's talk about Venus's atmosphere. It's composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, making it an extreme greenhouse. The pressure at the surface? It's like being 900 meters underwater on Earth. Imagine the squeeze. Despite these harsh conditions, Venus might teach us a lot about climate change and planetary evolution. Understanding Venus's runaway greenhouse effect could provide crucial insights into our own environmental challenges. In terms of exploration, Venus has been somewhat visited by spacecraft from various space agencies, including NASA's Magellan, which mapped the planet's surface with radar in the early 90s. However, the surface of Venus is less understood due to its extreme conditions which destroy landers in just hours. But here's a twist: recent studies suggest there might be signs of life, not on the surface but in the clouds. Researchers have detected phosphine, a gas typically produced by biological processes. Does this mean life exists in the acidic clouds of Venus? The jury is still out, but the possibility is thrilling. In closing, Venus is not just another planet. It's a reminder of the extremes the universe holds. Its mysteries and extreme conditions could not only teach us about other worlds, but also about our own. The more we learn, the better equipped we'll be to understand the cosmos and our place within it. Thanks for tuning in. If you're curious about more space mysteries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures beyond our world. Until next time, keep looking up and
Saturn, the sixth planet from our Sun, is one of the most breathtaking sights in our solar system. Famous for its magnificent rings, Saturn is a world of mystery and beauty. But what exactly lies behind those shimmering rings? Let's dive in and uncover some of Saturn's secrets. Firstly, those rings. Did you know they are not solid? They're actually made up of ice, dust, and rock particles, some as small as grains of sand and others as large as mountains. These particles are remnants from comets, asteroids, or shattered moons, and they orbit Saturn just like a tiny moon themselves. But Saturn is more than just its rings. This gas giant has a core that is believed to be composed of iron, nickel, and rock, enveloped by layers of metallic hydrogen. This core is incredibly hot, with temperatures soaring over 11,700 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of the Sun. What about the atmosphere? Saturn's atmosphere is primarily hydrogen and helium, but it also contains traces of water, methane, and ammonia ice. These elements create a layered cloud system that adds to the planet's pale yellow hue, tinted by ammonia crystals. Now let's talk about the wind on Saturn. The speeds can reach up to 1,800 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest in the solar system. These super-fast winds contribute to the hexagonal storm pattern observed at the North Pole, a unique feature not found on any other planet. Lastly, Saturn's moons. There are 82 confirmed moons, with Titan being the largest and most interesting. Titan has lakes, rivers, and seas of liquid methane and ethane, making it one of the most Earth-like worlds we've found in the solar system. In conclusion, Saturn is not just about its stunning rings. It's a complex and dynamic world with a hot core, fast winds, and fascinating moons. Every new discovery about this planet only deepens the mystery and enhances our wonder. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Saturn's secrets. Stay curious and keep exploring the universe with me. Until next. Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of the most mesmerizing topics in the cosmos: Mars, the red planet. Why does it capture the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike? Let's find out. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in our solar system, right after Mercury. But despite its size, Mars holds a treasure trove of mysteries and possibilities. First off, why is Mars red? The answer lies in the iron oxide, or rust, that covers its surface. This rust not only gives Mars its iconic red color, but also tells us about the planet's past environmental conditions, suggesting there might once have been water, and where there's water, there could have been life. Speaking of water, Mars today has polar ice caps, just like Earth. These ice caps are made mostly of water ice with a thin layer of dry ice or frozen carbon dioxide covering them in the winter. This discovery has fueled endless speculation about the potential for life and future human colonization. Imagine setting up a base right there on the Martian poles. Now let's talk about the Martian atmosphere. It's about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and consists mostly of carbon dioxide with small amounts of nitrogen and argon. The thin atmosphere means weaker protection from solar and cosmic radiation, making the environment harsh for any potential life forms. Mars also boasts the largest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. Olympus Mons, the giant shield volcano, is about 13.6 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And Valles Marineris, the Grand Canyon of Mars, stretches over 2,500 miles and reaches depths of up to 7 miles. Exploring these structures up close would be the field trip of a lifetime. The exploration of Mars has been an ongoing journey, with missions like the Mars rovers and orbiters providing us with invaluable data. These missions help us understand the climate, geology, and potential for life on Mars. Each rover, from Sojourner to Perseverance, builds on the past, helping us piece together the vast Martian puzzle. So why do we study Mars so intensely? Mars offers us a glimpse into our own past and potentially our future. It's a natural laboratory where we can learn more about planetary science, climate change, and even the origins of life. Plus, Mars serves as a critical stepping stone in our broader quest for interplanetary travel. In conclusion, Mars isn't just a red dot in the sky, it's a dynamic world brimming with secrets waiting to be unlocked. As we continue to explore and study Mars, who knows what incredible discoveries lie ahead? Thanks for joining me on this journey to the Red Planet. Stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of the universe around us. See you next time.